So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can check if the iPhone battery is original. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on battery. Now here you will see various options: battery percentage, low power mode, and battery health, charging, etc. If you see all these options, then this means the battery of your iPhone is original. In case the battery of the phone is not original, then you will see a message like this one. It says important battery message, unable to verify this iPhone has genuine Apple battery. If you see all these options here, then this means the battery of your iPhone is original. In case the battery is duplicate, then you will see a message like this one. Also, if you go back to settings and if you tap on battery health, then this will show you all the information like battery health, maximum capacity, cycle count, etc. Now all this means the battery is original. So this is how I can check if the iPhone battery is original. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.